Step number 1, plain old plastic bag. I'm going to do this to the end. I'm going to put a elastic band. Any colour will work around the end. This is so to give me a nice floral shape when I kiss my canvas with this plastic bag. You'll see. So I'm just doing it nice and tight because I'm going to fill this, not fill it, but I'm going to put water into this plastic bag, and this is going to be my what I'm going to do my floral effects with. So I'll leave it like that, turn the bag back the other way. I'll go to my sink and fill this with water, and you will see how this is going to work. So just give me 1 second. So I've just prepped my canvas with a coat of navy blue. I have now got my bag filled with water, and I've knotted off the top. So let's go and do some kissing on my canvas. You'll see why I mean kissing. So I'm going to use puddles everywhere. So I'm going to start off with champagne gold. Nice big puddle. Paint's running out. Yeah. Use some black next. Oh, the flies are horrendous. We don't normally get too bad flies because we're so high up, but some other reason I've got all my doors open because my air conditioning is not working. But anyway, we'll plod on. Now this is magenta. So when I'm doing any like balloon kissing or things like this, I like to keep the paints thicker so they don't, so they hold their shape more. So that's the plan. So let's keep with it. I'm going to put a bit of, it's just like a cream colour. It's called sand, I believe. This one is a bit thin, so I'm not too happy with that one, but anyway, we'll go with it. Rightio, some of the cyan blue. Literally going to be able to fill this canvas up with these water bag kisses, I think. If all goes to plan, as nothing usually does go to plan, but anyway, so here you go. Water bag filled. Hold it nice and tight. Let's go. Oh yeah, baby. Probably didn't need so much paint, did I? Because it's gonna... Let me just drop my bag onto, clean the bottom of it off a bit so I don't muddy the colours too much. Got wax paper underneath this. You can use to dip off into your wax paper, because when the wax paper dries you can use also use that as a piece of art or wrapping paper, or cut it up to make jewellery. Just let you, it gives you a whole different effect than a balloon does. It doesn't give, it's just another different effect in that, and I think it's stunning. So how simple was that? I'm just gonna leave me water bag. Wow, wow, wow. Beautiful. I'm just gonna see if I use the balloon to just the very center. That might give it a really nice petal shape in the center. Yes, it does. Lovely. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. They definitely both give different effects. Equally beautiful. Wow, there you go. Going to bring you down closer. Have a little look-see. Well, there you go. Different effect. I probably didn't need as much paint, but I was actually going to cover the actual whole of the canvas and not leave any negative space, but I actually like that. So just another little idea. It gives a lovely effect, I must say. I think if you did them in the blues or lilacs, it'd give more of an agapantha look. So lovely, another little idea. On with the next one.